this site-to-site VPN to connect to the network of one office location to the network at another office location. So based on this router to router or site-to-site VPN, we can classify this again into intranet-based VPN and extranet-based VPN. The intranet-based VPN, several offices of the same company are connected together using this site-to-site VPN. But the extranet case, companies, the different companies can connect to each other through this site-to-site VPN. There is a difference between intranet and extranet-based VPNs. Then the third category is cloud VPN, which provides cloud-based services. So the users are directly allowed to connect with the cloud-based infrastructure provided by the service provider. Then you can access some of the cloud resources using this VPN. Then the cloud providers, AWS, that is Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, these are some major players in the cloud market. So you can connect with the cloud servers. Then mobile VPN, suppose if you want to use VPN on your mobile, then you can download the VPN client on your mobile and can connect with the VPN server located in the head office or in your branch office. So the mobile VPN sometimes are available as a standalone application, or it can be integrated into the mobile device management solutions. Then the fifth one is the SSL VPN, Secure Socket Layer, which is a protocol to secure the connection between the user and the VPN server. So while using this SSL type of VPN, you can directly access the VPN through your web browser. Rather than you are using the standalone web client, you can directly access the VPN through your browser. That is advantage of SSL VPN. Then point-to-point tunneling protocol VPN. So it is a simple and the fastest method for implementing the VPN, because this earlier days they are using this point-to-point and the layer 2 tunneling protocols for implementing the VPN. So the sixth and seventh categories are about the point-to-point tunneling and the layer 2 tunneling protocols. Then the Open VPN is the open source software category of VPN, which uses secure socket layer SSL, and it is easily configurable and more secure. So the Unix-based operating systems provides the Open VPN. So it is an open source software. No need to pay anything for this VPN. Then we have different type of VPN protocols. Like the different type of VPN, we are having different type of VPN protocols. The Internet Protocol Security is the most famous protocol that provides tunneling capacity to the VPN. So Internet Protocol Security, in short, it is known as IPsec, is used to secure internet communication across an IP network. So this IP, by verifying the session and encrypt each data packet during the IP connection between the entities. So it runs in two modes: transport mode, tunneling mode. So that when you study the details of the IPsec, you can go through the transport mode and the tunneling mode details. Then layer 2 tunneling protocol is again the subdivision of this IPsec. So this L2P generates a tunnel between the two L2P clients or the connections using this IPsec protocol. The IPsec ensure the security as well as the encryption of the data between these two tunnel endpoints. Then point-to-point tunneling protocol, it generates the tunnel and confines the data packet by using this protocol called point-to-point tunneling. Then the SSL and the TLS is the another type of protocols used in the VPN scenario. SSL is a secure socket layer. TLS is the transport layer security. So this generates the VPN connection where the web browser acts as the client. So I told you, the one of the type of VPN is the web browser based VPN. So we can directly access the VPN through web browsers. In the sense, then it uses the secure socket layer and the transport layer security to create the tunnels and encrypt the messages exchanged between the tunnels. So for that, we are using the SSL and TLS protocol. Then secure shell. Secure shell is again generates the VPN tunnel through which the data can be transferred securely between this tunnel. Then secure socket tunneling protocol, internet key exchange version protocol, OpenVPN, WireGuard are some of the other protocols used in this VPN scenario. Then how can you implement the VPN? That is setting up the VPN on your PC or in your mobile phone. So set up a VPN, you need a VPN application. So you need to have a VPN client. There are a lot of VPN clients are available in the market. Most of the clients are payable. You need to pay some amount to use that one, but they can provide some 30 days or 15 days free period offers. So first you need to decide which VPN application you are going to use in your system. Then once you download that VPN app from the internet, then move to setting and click network and then VPN. You can add that VPN in your system. So then you need to fill the server name, VPN type, everything as per the instructions given in the VPN manual of the application. Then save your VPN, then go back to VPN and click your newly ordered account and press connect to the internet. Now you are connected into the VPN. Similarly, you can use the VPN on your mobile phone, on your iMac or iPhone, everything. The same step can be implemented. But you need to go through the user manual provided with the application for more details. Then the next setup is how to set up your VPN on your own router. What is the advantage of setting a VPN on your own router is you will be able to connect all of your devices to a single VPN installation. So it is a great way to protect your entire network instead of only one device. So here type your router's internet protocol address and the password to log on into your admin panel in your router. So by using your IP address and the password, just to log into your admin panel, then find the VPN option in the setting part of the screen. Then select the option for VPN client. So since the router is connected with the client, so you go through the VPN client option that are listed in your screen. Then you select the correct settings, enter your VPN details in the setting part. Suppose if you have open VPN configuration file, no need to set up the VPN parameters. Straight away, you can take the parameters from the configuration file, which is automatically loaded while setting up the VPN layer. Then complete any additional steps your router may request based on the requirement. So see all the instructions given in your VPN software. Then you can set up your VPN on your router. Then how it is working, whether the installed VPN is correctly working or not, you need to check. For that, once you have installed the VPN, then use Google it by typing what is my IP on your browser, Google or some other browser. Your IP address will be displayed, or in the command prompt, Windows command prompt, ipconfig, you can type ipconfig, it will display your IP address, note it down. Then connect to a VPN server and make sure that the IP address is different from one you have noted down in your notebook. Because the VPN server provides a different IP address, not your own IP address, or own IP address in the sense your network interface card IP address is not shown in the VPN side. So once you have different VPN, then you can confirm that you have configured your VPN correctly. Otherwise, you need to troubleshoot your VPN app. Some of the applications are listed here. So video, audio streaming, gaming, protect ourselves from snooping. One can get privacy online by hiding one's true location. You can protect themselves from being logged while torrenting. That is, you have experienced more on torrenting by downloading some movies. Let us list movies you can download by using the torrent applications. All these are some of the applications of VPN. These are some of the advantages and disadvantages of VPNs. say, for example, it provides you anonymity, avoid geo restrictions, security protections from cyber attack, bandwidth throttling, improve gaming experience, bypass firewalls. All these are some of the applications. But at the same time, VPN also are having some disadvantages. It slow down your internet speed. It might be connection dropping while you will be connected over VPN. It might have configuration difficulties, some legal issues. Some countries may not allow VPN servers. So the configuration part of the VPN gives some complex parameters. So all are the disadvantages of the VPN. Okay, so about the VPN. Thank you very much.